Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mrin and in today's video I am going to talk about skin concern and one product related to it which has really helped me. So I want you guys to know about that product.
So today I want to introduce the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum, which is a new one in India. It contains 1.5 ml of hyaluronic acid and it comes with a dropper.
So lately my skin has not been doing the best. Due to the winters it got very dry, it got flaky, itchy and not the best. So I think for a very long time I have been longing for a dewy, bouncy, soft, glowy skin. I think all of you want that. Each and every one of us want to have a very good skin. So I want to introduce to all of you a special ingredient which needs to be your skin's best friend right now. So even if you have not had problems or any complaints against your face whatsoever, there is one agent, one ingredient which needs to be your skin's best friend, and that is HA hyaluronic acid. Reason being, this super ingredient has a list of benefits. I can go on and on. Once you introduce hyaluronic acid into your skincare regime, your skin will start becoming smooth, naturally radiant, naturally hydrated, deeply nourished, healthy, and you'll of course get a very youthful skin. So I'm very excited to introduce all of you to the #1 product in USA, which is the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Hyaluronic acid is one such ingredient about which all the dermats are currently focusing, and because L'Oreal Paris has introduced the serum of HA, I am so super excited to try it out. I've already been trying it out and I'm actually super excited to introduce all of you with this amazing beneficial ingredient. Now this is the only product which has the highest concentration of HA in it, which is around 1.5%. It's also mentioned in their packaging. In case you don't know what is hyaluronic acid, let me introduce you guys to this beneficial ingredient. So hyaluronic acid is one such ingredient which has the capacity to hold 1,000 times its own weight in water. Henceforth, it is very essential to maintain the moisture in your skin. This serum increases your skin radiance up to 42%. Yes guys, that's huge. And it gives intense hydration. And I have been using this at a stretch, and I must say this is one such product which has been giving me amazing results. If you look at my skin now, it's really having a very good texture. Now you see why dermats rave about this ingredient and why you should include it into your beauty regime. The packaging of this product is really amazing. It is a clear glass bottle. Nonetheless, it's very lightweight and you can easily carry it with you along in your handbag. And then you have this dropper which makes this product amazingly hygienic. You really don't have to worry about the hygiene factor because there's a dropper, you can easily use it. So I actually take 3 to 4 drops on my face using the dropper, and then I start to massage my skin very gently. The texture is very lightweight and very non-sticky. L'Oreal Paris serum also has no alcohol, colorants or fragrance, so it is actually great for people with sensitive skin, and you can actually use it in the day or during the night. I also like to use it along with my moisturizer, so I'll just take a little bit of my moisturizer. I'll apply 2 to 3 drops of this L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum, mix it up and then gently pat on my face. And you can see just after application how instantly hydrated my skin looks and feels. My skin screams hydration, and this is exactly how I think anyone would want their skin to be. You will start to see immediate results once you introduce this in your CTM routine. Now this is one such product which starts showing result in the first use itself. With each passing day, you can actually feel that your skin texture is getting better and better and your skin feels happier than before. There is a 15 ml one which retails for rupees 499. And there is a 30 ml one which retails for 999. Every use you just need 3 to 4 drops, so this is going to last you a very long while. You can check out my description box for the links to purchase this product. Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum has become my holy grail because the wow factor in my skin has been introduced just because of this product. Now, this one is really amazing. Even the concentration of hyaluronic serum, which should be there, is absolutely perfect, and L'Oreal Paris made sure that it is the correct ratio. So just to sum up my overall thoughts about this product, I would say that you must get it because it is considered as the #1 product in USA, Europe and China, and recently it has been introduced in India, and the concentration is not diluted. It is just the perfect ratio, which is 1.5%, and the formula is very non-sticky, lightweight. It will not make your skin feel greasy, and that is why everyone with different skin types can use it. It also does not contain any alcohol or paraben. The packaging is also very sleek. It comes with a dropper, so you have the control over the usage of the product. And this is one such amazing serum which started giving me results right after the first use, and it is also available in 2 sizes, so you can go for the 15 ml one first, try it out for yourself, and then go for the 30 ml one. Overall, I would say that I really love this product. You can see my skin for yourself. There is no beauty filter or any edit or anything. You can see this is how my skin feels. It's soft, nourished, bouncy, intensely hydrated yet not greasy, and I don't think anybody wants anything more than that, right? So the purchase link is in my description box. You can go for yourself and check it out. So if this video has been helpful to you, please don't forget to like this video, and I also have an Insta page by the name Mystical Imran. Make sure that you go and follow me over there as well. If you like watching me and my content, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I'll be seeing you guys with another amazing product. Till then, take care. Bye.